I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Man, it's been a long week. I am here to do, very excited, a Moka Gryff Lite review, okay? For those of you that don't know what a Moka Gryff looks like, let me grab one off the wall here. This is the Moka Gryff. This is one of mine. This is the Moka Gryff Standard, obviously. Awesome, awesome bird. I love this frame. It's my second favorite frame. The first favorite frame I have is a Mocha Simplex Pro, but that's just my style because I like the headhunters. But for racing frames and whatever else, I absolutely have beaten this bird to death, and there's not even a scratch on it. It's awesome. And I have another one. Where is it? I did a hydro dip on, and that you can't really even hardly tell, but that's that one. It's the exact same thing as this, pretty much. Different motors, Brother Hobby motors, and this one's got the T-Motor Air 40 Pro 2s. Great, great frame. So I love this frame. But Mocha, I bought a Moka Lite, Moka Gryff Lite, and here it is. Now, bam, not much to it. So this is how they come packaged. They come packaged in little vacuum packs. Let's tear this open. I'm like, bam, I got this yesterday when I got home. I was gone all week and could not wait to get home and check this out. So we're going to check this baby out. Now, it does have TPU 3D prints that you can download off of Mocha's website and print out yourself. Mocha made me these because he knows I don't have a printer, but I don't believe these come with the frame itself. I think you have to print these out on your own. But since Mocha and I are good friends, he prints all my stuff in yellow, which is kind of my thing. Mocha JJ and all that stuff. So here is your rear antenna holder for your SMA, and here is your front nose cone camera holder. And then see, we got arms. That's obvious. And then we've got a little bag of goodies. There's a top plate. And then we've got camera mounts. Now, I'm assuming, I have not built this yet, but I'm assuming we don't need these if we have this, but we will double check. These probably come with it. I haven't talked with Mocha yet, but we're going to double check that, but I think they do. Otherwise, you won't be able to mount a camera. Yeah, so here we go. Preset nuts. These are really, really cool. I like them this way. They usually don't break or strip out quite as easily. You got your 4 posts. Let's take a measure of those. Mocha's usually 22. That's how well I know them. Yep, 22 mil. And our arm, where are we at? 5 mil arms. Great. Fantastic. And 3 mil carbon on the bottom. And what do we got? 3 mil on the top. Just double checking. Well, this isn't going to get my calipers working. So, there you go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw this baby together, and then I'll go over it again, and we'll get a weight on it and everything else, and then maybe tomorrow, if I have time, I'm going to build this up. So, bam, be right back. Bam, and we're back. Poof! Very simple to put together, nothing fancy. I like it so far. Let's see what the dry weight is with this guy on the scale that tells no lies with only little fibs. Okay, grams. Bam, 83. Nice. Okay, so that is a beautiful thing. Let's see what we got. Corner to corner. Yeah. Now, I did use the TPU. These are the camera mounts. You know, you screw these to the camera. These, I believe, like I said, come with it. I will double check with Mocha on that, and we will get this thing ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to take this thing apart just so you can see how it goes together. And very, very simple to do. Love it. And I'm going to show you guys a couple other little cool Moka Gryff tricks as well here. So there's your top plate. Bam, look at that. All right. So your nose, if you 3D print the nose, it fits directly over that carbon fiber nose piece. And the back, right here, this is clever. You've got a little place to hold your VTX, and you've also got the RPSMA, or SMA, whichever you're doing, holder on here. Let me pop this off here. Bam. There you go. Very, very simple. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 long screws that come with this. I can measure them, I suppose. And then you've got 4 of the shorties, okay? 10 mil, 11 mil, whatever. The 4 shorties go on the top plate, and the 4 long guys go in the arms. Very, very simple to do. There it is. Yeah. Okay. Very, very nice. So we are sporting. The thing I love about these frames is it will do a 20/20 micro stack, or it will do a 30 full stack, which is very, very cool. You have places for zip strips if you need to tie down wires. Got the place for your VTX right here. Very, very well thought out. I like it. So this is, I'm going to load this baby up. We're going to build this probably tomorrow if I have time. I've got some parts, and we'll go ahead and make this something cool. Maybe. Whew. And you might have to stretch your TPU. And I do suggest, if you guys print these yourself, print them with a soft print. That way you can stretch them over. Look at that. Bam. That is freaking bad to the bone. I like it. I like it. So, yeah, it goes this way. That's that. Now, what I want to show you, let me pop this at least a screw or two into here. And I don't have a Moka Gryff standard that's not built, so I can't really compare the weights. I can't remember what the weight is. I've got, like I said, I've got 3 Moka Gryffs, and now this one. 2 of them are the regular Moka Gryffs, and 1 is a prototype, and that's what I'm getting to right now. Check it out. I want to show you the evolution. My buddy at Mocha sent me, out of the goodness of his heart, as a gift, the Mocha prototype. And this is that. I don't know if you guys, if I've ever shown anybody this before, but this is the Moka Gryff prototype, all right? Takes a mini cam. I got a Predator in here. We got Brother Hobby Deadpools on here. CL Racing, CL Racing F4, T-Motor 40 amp ESCs. My receiver is under here. No, I'm sorry, that's the VTX. My receiver's up here. And we got this little funky antenna I got from my friend Wes. I chewed off one of my antennas. But this was the prototype. This was never sold. Okay, very, very neat little little bird. And he sent it to me. He's like, I just want you to have this as a gift. He thought I was just going to hang it on my wall, I think. And I decided to build it because I thought it was really cool. It's just a really, really nice bird. So I got that. That is the Moka Gryff prototype. And you can see the back end's totally open. I'm not really sure what he was thinking with, and you know, with prototypes, we're always experimenting and doing things like that. I'm not really sure what all this stuff is here. And it has a print on it, which is very, very cool. Then the Moka Gryff, the one that you guys can buy online, I'm sorry, is this guy. And I believe they come in red. Mocha makes mine yellow because I'm JJ Roto Geek and I like everything yellow because I see it better because I'm colorblind. So this looks like a very bright white to me. So, and this I'm running the Cicada all-in-one with receiver, micro cam. This one's taking a micro, this one's taking a mini, okay? And then you've got the Moka Gryff Lite, which is the new guy, okay? This probably, well, like I said, I don't think these come with these. You have to download the file from Mocha and just print it yourself or have a friend print it. Let's see, just to double check. Yeah, takes a micro cam, okay? So that takes a micro cam as well. The original prototype took a mini. And this is really a cool little frame. Now, some of the differences are, you saw these are 2 separate arms. Okay, see how accurate these cuts are? Look at that. Bam, thing's tight. Mocha has the best carbon I've ever seen out of anybody. And that goes for any frame I've built, and I've built a lot of frickin' frames. Now, disclaimer, I did buy this frame. This was not a gift from Mocha. I love Mocha frames, but I did buy this, so this is a pretty unbiased review for the most part. And if you look at the Moka Gryff Standard, it has the two-piece arms. The Moka Gryff Prototype actually had a uni-arm. So this is one arm, and this is one arm, like boomerangs, okay? I have actually got some in a box down there somewhere, but you get the idea. So this is one piece, this is one piece, this is one piece, this is one piece, and this is two pieces. And you have the adjustments here. And, you know, I've showed this to a lot of my friends, like the guys in the club and Blackhawk, and they love it. They actually want Mocha to make this frame as a production frame. I like it. I think it's cool. I prefer the Moka Gryff Standard and now the Lite a little bit more, but it is pretty slick. It's a pretty neat little design. So yeah, so we're gonna build this up. This is part one of this this review, overview as I call them. And I'll go ahead and slap some guts in this. I'm probably gonna, I have a couple birds I can gut, and I'll go ahead and build this up, and we'll see how she does. So far, I think it's pretty slick. I don't even know. This doesn't necessarily even have to be down. You can do this a number of ways. Hang on a tick. Grab a flat blade screwdriver. Let's put this all the way up. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, it fits both ways. You can do it either way. So if you needed room, you could have that riding up there, which I might actually do. Might put my VTX03 in there and just give myself a little bit of extra room there, and yeah, we'll see how it comes together. Either way, this is part one. So that is the Moka Lite, the Gryff Lite, okay? I'm not sure if it's released yet on the website, but I will put a link to Mocha's page down at the bottom here, and y'all can go check it out. So anyway, bam, keep your shiny side up, kids. Thanks for paying attention. If you did, have a drink. Happy Saturday. Later. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.